Hello people of YouTube, I'm the iTunes guy 1608. Today I'm gonna show you how to install iPads without a computer. Yes, you can install iPads in an iPodTouch 4 Gen or iPhone 3GS or any device running iOS 6.1.6. Like a normal iPhone, it's just like Trolls or something like that. But not, this is not Trolls. Just you need some Cydia tweaks. First of all, do you need the device running iOS 6.1.6, and you have to be running. Well, not running. You have to have jailbreak. In this case, I have Cydia. I have Cydia developing. Okay, first of all, you have to add this repo, that is the Electromos repo. I let it here in the screen, this one. Okay, once you add that repo, the Electromos repo, you're gonna go there and you're gonna go to all the packages. And first of all, you're gonna install this one. AppSync Unify. Oh, right. Wait a second. Alright, so you have to install this one, AppSync Unify. Okay, yeah, you can get this one from other repos because the Cydia.academy.ai repo is down, so I recommend installing from the Electromos repo. This is very reliable and this is the good one, right? This like the same. In the same Electromos repo, you're gonna go down, and you're gonna install batteries, just this one from Electromos repo, batteries, right? So once you install batteries and AppSync Unify, I already have installed them, you're gonna go to the search bar and you're gonna type Safari download enabler. Okay, you're gonna tap this one that have the Safari icon, compatible with iOS 5, 6, 7. I recommend just install for iOS 6. Is yours? This one. So I already have it. So you can I can. I don't. So once you have all the packages, you're gonna go, well, you have all the packages, you're gonna go to Safari. Obviously you had to make a respring for all these things, all the tweaks that you made. And here we have a directory of iOS 6 EPAs, Internet Archive. Here we have all of these very long list of iPads. I'm not gonna download anything because I already have mine, but I'll leave it in the description, this page for downloading your iPads and install them on your iPodTouch. So sometimes the page wouldn't work. Example, wait a second, it's lagging. Okay, as I said you before, it's because I have a technical error. As I said you before, the page sometimes doesn't work. Example, if I tap in this iPad, I'm just tapping a random one. You tap, and it appears this one that the connection of the server is secure. But I don't know how to fix this. I think with the modern certificates of the Hanabi's root, you can fix this. But yep. So also you're gonna press in the book for a long time, and here your downloads will appear. In this case, I download Angry Birds. So you're gonna tap the iPad and you're gonna put open, and you're gonna open it in batteries. You're gonna wait for about a bit, and here's a queue, and here appear installing, install, downloads, downloading, queued, and fail. But in this case, it's installing my iPad, and here it appears as installed. And let's check it. Yep, it's new. It here says new. I do wanna open it, and just it's working. I just make sure it works. Okay, here is without any crash. No. Okay, I'm just wanted to make sure that the EPUB worked. And in some cases, some apps doesn't work. Example like here, Guitar Hero, the famous game. You wanna open it, and it will load. Example. But sometimes crashes, and if you're gonna install Guitar Hero on the iOS IPA directory, it wouldn't appear. You have to search in Internet Archive the fixed version. I download the fixed IPA, but sometimes it crashes, right? So here it crashed. Yep, it crashed. And some apps may not work in 2024, so you need extra tricks like Google Earth or YouTube. But yeah, you don't need any computer, just like an APK of Android or Troubleshooting on your iPhone. But yeah, that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.